Hi everyone. So recently I purchased a Faber Hob. So let's review this. So the model of this hob is Ethopia Pro HT704. It costed me a lot, that is 34,857. This is a discounted price. The original price was 38,730. So now let me tell you whether it's worth or not. See the model properly. This is the look of it. Okay, so let's talk about this. First of all, the price is too high, I feel, comparatively. Secondly, it needs a connection. Yes, it doesn't operate on the battery. This is not, don't operate on battery. It needs a proper electrical connection. So here is the button for that. Okay, you have to press the button. The connection is given from down. Then you have to do like this to put it on. Now the problem here is, okay, it takes time. So we need to do like this, then press. So basically what I'm trying to tell you all is the functioning is not smooth, as you can see. Even if I do like this, it takes a lot of time. So lots of practice is required for this. So slowly, after making it on, you have to leave it very slowly. So you need to be very cautious. As you can see the burners, I'll put on the second one. See again the same problem. Am I doing it wrong or that's the problem? I don't understand. But you have to be very slow while leaving this. Okay. So I'll put it off. Then let's talk about this, okay, burners and the stand of this. The stand is very heavy. This is heavy duty, as you can see. Very. The risk here is it's so heavy that if it falls on the glass, there are chances that it might break. Okay. Secondly, cleaning is very, very difficult as it is heavy. The thing is that you all must be thinking that if it's heavy, it will last longer. Yes, we thought the same thing. Okay. Last in our old home, we have a normal burner stove. Okay, that time again and again this stand used to get burned and we had to replace it. That's why we thought of buying this, but this is too bulky and too strong and very difficult to clean and very heavy if you go to see. Secondly, as you can see, this is the biggest one. This is the second largest, third, fourth. Okay, now let's talk about the burners. Okay, see this big burner which looks nice. Okay, now let me show you this. I'll remove this and show you the functioning of the burner. So this is the big burner. If you want to clean this area, imagine you have to remove this out, right? Okay, you have to remove this out or remove the whole mechanism out like this. Now the problem here is it comes in three parts. See, this small little part. There is a second part and the third part. So here the problem is whenever you're trying to open this or when you're trying to remove this and clean the area, that time there is a high chance that this might fall off and break the glass. That's the disadvantage. So even while placing, you have to look for the exact proper positioning, then you have to place it. So this is the problem here. Even for this one, if you go to see, this comes in parts. There are two parts for this, which was not required, I think. Okay, same goes to this one. This has three parts. See, this little part is very risky while operating. So another thing is when the lights are gone, when there is a power shut, you need to use a lighter. Okay, lighter also, you cannot use a plain lighter like this. It is taking a long time to put it on because that spark is not passing through. So maybe you need a electric, not electric exactly, but another lighter which is like longer and battery lighter or something like that. I need to try that. So according to me, I feel according to the price, this hob is not worth. Okay, maybe even a normal hob would have worked the same way as this one, which costed me 34,000 plus. So that's it. Thank you so much.